Alright you guys, this is F82Ray and welcome back to another video. If you guys haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel. We are at 100 subscribers. I appreciate everybody who was subscribed to my channel, who liked all my videos, who was tuned into every video. And we are on the road to 200 subscribers. So we're gonna keep grinding it up. As you can tell by today's caption, we are about to go to a little meet that we got. It's just a little small meet that we have around here in my area. So yeah, so I'm about to go link up with a couple of my buddies, and then we're going to head out. So all right, give you guys a little POV action while I'm on the way to Adam. Go meet up with Adam real quick. Me personally, I love the burbles. Everybody tell me it sounds good, but sometimes it does get annoying. But everybody else tell me it sounds good, so that's why I kept it loud. I like to be very obnoxious when I'm around. And my CL light is on because I have to replace another O2 sensor. It's two of them. I replaced the first one, and now I have to replace the second one, of course. Stock exhaust. Only thing I have done to my exhaust is just downpipes. So with the CS, you do get the titanium exhaust, and you can control the valves, open and close, which is one of my favorite parts. I can be loud if I want to and be quiet when I need to. So, you know. Yo.
What's up with your confusing ass?
What you mean?
Where you at?
I'm just pulling up on Adam now.
Oh, word? You said me leave or Adam leave?
You leave.
Leave straight to the meet?
No, go to the place you told us to meet up at.
Oh, yeah. I'm like 10 minutes away from
Okay, bet. Well, we on the way.
That's what I said. I'm close to there.
Okay. All right, well, we're on the way.
I'm in.
Okay. All right. All right. Shut that up. Hold on now.
Mute on.
Where is Atom? Where is Atom? There he is. There go my boy. Yes sir. We got the Audi Rs3. See that?
What's up, bro?
You ready?
Yeah.
I'm following you. All right. So it is stock as of right now. He doesn't want to void his warranty, but his miles are starting to pick up. So coming soon, he will have that thing tuned. You know, those RS3s right now, tune on E is pretty quick. So me and Adam always do a little fun rounds all the time. My boy's still on that stock life. Meet up my boy, my other boy. He has the M4 as well. Then we're gonna head on to the meet. Yes, sir. My boy Adam riding today. Yes, sir. To be honest, I would give you guys a little run with the RS3, but I mean, it's really not fair because I'm, you know, tuned, FBO, he's really stalled. But we do it all the time. I may give you guys a little run, see how it does. When that shit, like, you hear, once it hits like 5K RPMs, that shit starts screaming, dude. Like, God. Like, third gear and fourth gear is stupid. Get there, I'll turn you guys back on, and I'll introduce you to my other boy with the M4. So we're just now getting here. Look at my boys. What's going on, man? Yeah, let's get it. My boy got a stage 1. He's on a boot mod stage 1 tune. Nothing crazy. He doesn't even have FBO, honestly. He just drives his car regular, but got a little slight tune on it. You guys look Mexico. On the way there. Let's get it. shit actually sounds good as hell. I see you, my boy. That shit sound good. That was some good ass, yes sir.
You like that?
Hell yes, bro. You know I love it. Yo, your burger sounds so fucking good, dude.
Good.
I love that shit, bro.
Yo, one pop of yours, low way, underneath the bridge, like made me jump, bro. That shit was loud.
He said that shit was loud underneath the bridge when we pulled off. Yes, sir. Couldn't go too crazy. That nigga Adder from that dig, yo. Them Rs3s is crazy from a dig. Like, that shit is insane. Sir, let me see that. It ain't turned up yet. Woo. Yes, sir. Car. Little 335 single turbo. Got all them boys trying to come from my head, man, with this single turbo.
That's slow ass beamer.
Oh yeah, that shit nasty right there. When's it gonna be ready?
I don't know, I've just been chilling really, bro. I've been waiting on, I've been thinking about building it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I mean, honestly,
I might just do volume pistons.
yeah, you should. Just a backup, honestly. But I mean, even stop block, you can hold 700.
Yeah, that's
Stop block.
Yeah.
You still be fast as shit around here. So,
Real though. Nah, but yeah.
that's a fat ass turbo. Sheesh.
eBay turbo.
Not eBay. Hell yeah.
The garage, you know what I'm saying?
Walk around. See what else is out here. Got Scat Pack. Little RT.
15 minutes.
Ever.
Giving away $100 worth of fun. Factory food.
Look at them boys right here. Got a little SS action right here. Little SS, this shit mean right here. Infinity. Woo.
Come here, man.
Jeez.
Come here, man. What's up?
What's up, brother?
What's up, man?
What's up, man? Which one yours, buddy? Which one? Which one yours? This one? Who car this is?
My boy, Justin. He actually was looking for you because he saw you driving.
Yeah. Okay. You know I love my damn G82s now. Shit.
We're giving away
I'm about to say $100. Shit, I'll go in for that.
You win his car.
What is this? Oh, this is another M4. Just got it. Yeah, he definitely do. He just got it though. He need to drop this bitch, put some tint on it. But that bitch, huh? I don't know. Some dude. I don't know. This shit clean though. I love the white. White always clean.
I like those rims. The OEM ones.
Mm-hmm.
I like mine though.
The competition wheels is always the best. I fuck with the comp wheels.
It's got a full carbon roof.
Yo, he was like, "There's a car. I got a full carbon roof." I got a full carbon roof.
I'm about to say everybody. Well, most M4s come with carbon roofs. Most of them, yeah. Got a little Z01 over here. Yeah. I heard Z01's pretty fast, man. My boy Smooth. My boy Smooth got that Z01. I think he rapped this bitch. This bitch is nice as hell.
We was hitting it.
Yes. We was at least going 100 the whole way here.
Dude, that was crazy.
I think at one point I hit like 125.
Yeah, I hit like 130.
Like,
Yes, that was smooth. I love when you do that
My
shit.
shit stuck.
Yes, sir. Nah, your shit been running.
It's a little slow.
This is like a new car.
Ain't no M4 slow for real.
That is fact.
Yeah, one guy just took.
That's the one.
Yeah.
Sheesh.
He just rapped it.
Yeah, that bitch nice though.
This shit dumb fast.
It's dumb fast.
Dumb fast.
What's like out the wheel?
Like neck
Down
and
the
neck,
wheel.
neck and neck with a higher boost as fast.
What?
Yeah.
Sheesh. I'm ready to hit our running, man.
Yeah, look at
Yeah, I'm ready, man. I'm waiting on you, man.
Soon, man.
That nigga trying to turn that shit up to 800 wheel before he run me. Trying to turn that shit up.
No one is ready.
Yeah, okay. Just hit me. Yeah, just hit me. Yeah, this shit clean. What's up, boys? What's up, fool? What good, bro? Been alright? Yes, sir. Hell yeah. Good seeing you. What's up, boys? This bitch right here. Yes, sir. Jeez. Oh yeah, probably so. Jeez. What's up, bro? How you doing? I'm good.
All right.
Yeah. That shit sounds crazy. Hell yeah, that bread. Nigga, that's dumb bread right here.
Yeah, I got you right here. Go ahead and follow yourself. I'll follow you back. Sorry about that. What's up, man?
Nigga, this shit is just sick. Growling like crazy. But overall, it's a good little meat overall. But it's 340 right now. Got a 340 comp wheels. That shit is so fucking good. Follow him right there.
What up, man? It's yours, eh?
You sure right here? Hey, this shit clean as hell with the comp wheels, bro.
Appreciate it, bro.
Hell yeah.
It didn't come with all those, did it?
Hell no. Man, that shit's smooth right there. Hey, what kind of exhaust you got on this? Muffled delete? Yeah, okay. Yeah, that bitch is clean though. You got a good fitment too. Bitch is clean.
I got him for 12. Got that little boost controller and
Yeah, I could turn it up.
Turn that shit up. I'm waiting on you. Turn it up. Turn that shit up.
Shit, September for sure. I just wanted to get a little cooler.
You trying to turn that shit up all the way so you could just blow me out the water. Another little, what's this is? He on H&R Springs. Another 340. I think this my boy shit right here. My young nigga. Got a little GTR. Yeah, I know who this is.
Two GTRs. See that? That shit right there though. That's some shit right there. I'm telling you. The gear.
Right here?
Yeah. You know what straight cut gears are?
Huh?
Straight cut gears. It's like, so like, bro, man, you know, like stock manual transmissions just got the boot and shit, you feel me? They take the boot out and the clutch, it literally like goes down, you feel me? So think about it just like being like,
Right.
you feel me? Like, and then,
That bitch gonna pull it in. Yeah. That bitch nice there too. Got a little Super over here. Little Super smoke. What's up, boy? All right, you guys. Currently just left the meet on the way home. I didn't get any runs in. I'm really not supposed to even be racing right now because of my misfires. So I'm really not gonna be racing. I was just talking shit like I always do outside. But don't worry, once I fix my misfires, right now I have to get new spark plugs and change my coils, get a fresh oil change. I'll be ready in about 2 weeks. Then I'll be ready to gap everybody. But I appreciate you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed that content. Me and the boys riding around to the meet, showed you guys a couple of nice cars. You guys please like and subscribe to the channel. We're on the road to 200 subscribers. Appreciate you guys. See you next time.